Hello and welcome to my ICO Gold Rush Passive Income System results week 8. So this is just giving examples. This is week 5. How we started this is when I started on the videos anyway for this. Okay, all the results. Week 6, a bit of a cash out there. Week 7. So week 7, I did a video. I did with the whiteboard, so I wasn't doing the whiteboard today. So week 7, they were all going pretty good. Coin 5, obviously I'm still building now. Payouts was yesterday on the Monday, obviously. So coin 1, so still the faster upgrade. It's gone down a little bit now. The price of this has gone down a lot too. All right, now they're supposed to be doing a wallet release the next. They're saying it should be around now. From now to the next 2 weeks. All right, so that's obviously affecting the rewards at the moment. The slower coin week 2, this is the more steady coin and is a very good project. So it's gone down a little bit this week, but bear in mind, I'm building these ones. The 2 slow ones at the moment we're building. There's a lot of potential in coin 2 and coin 4. They're both slow and they're very stable, and they're definitely long-term upgrades. Coin 2 has been as high, it's all-time high of $80 a coin. Now you can see why so I'm anticipating this. It's a good way of saying it, I suppose. I'm anticipating the market's going to come back up, which it most probably will. It's going to be there's always a cycle, okay, with the crypto, as we've seen the last couple of years. So we're waiting for that cycle we're waiting for Bitcoin to go back up, get to 12, get to 10 first. That's the first barrier, I suppose. Get back to 10 grand, then up to 12, 15, 20. And who knows from there, all right? So by the end of the year, if everything follows a pattern, the cycle that it has, it's pretty much will be September onwards. We're definitely up to Christmas again, up to New Year's, and then it'll come back down again. Okay, so the idea is we're building up these coins. It's like mining, I suppose. It's a little bit different to mining. Mining, I mean, you're still going in different alts. So you're still mining your Bitcoin. You could be mining Ethereum. Not that I recommend that. Your Litecoin, your Dash, stuff like that. It's exactly the same kind of concept. The difference between the masternodes and mining is the masternodes have always got that initial. You always have that initial investment. So so the coin 1, that's a faster and more riskier coin. Now I can't remember. I think it's about 1,500, 1,200, about 1,250 to 1,500 coins I initially put in. Now they're building for me every week. So obviously you can see 98, so nearly 100 this week, 128 last week, 128, 127, and I haven't got the results for the first couple of weeks, but they're building, and I've still got that initial, the 1250 or the 15, I can't remember, I'm pretty sure it's 1250, so I can pull them back out, okay? Obviously you got to give notice, and otherwise, or other people can buy or take over your position, okay? They can pay you out and then take over what you've got. So that's how that works. Now that coin, so coin 1, it's gone down a bit in the price, and that's all good, okay? So it's just going up and down just like any crypto, any altcoin, or so we're anticipating that will go back up. Now I'm not selling it for a reason, because it's gone down so much. I know I can get it, hopefully, well, we're touching wood for this one, but we're hoping it goes back up, okay? At least get up to at least another 3 times up what it is now, okay? So coin 2, like I say, nice, stable. It's just paying regularly every day, okay? Every week, okay? Now when that gets, hopefully I'm anticipating that the market's going to go back to its cycle, and then hopefully by that time I've already accumulated a lot of coins, okay? Pretty sure I started with this one. I can't remember how much I started with that one either. Coin 3 this week has been no payouts. They've had server upgrades for this upgrade of this coin, okay? So what will happen is we'll probably get paid twice next week. So week 9 will be twice. Coin 4 is a bit down this week as well. They've had 4 servers down. It's just one of those things, okay? It's just a little road bump and a roadblock, and it happens, okay? So we just got to be patient with it. Definitely got to have patience for anything crypto, okay? And then coin 5, so I'm building. It's been building since last week, so I'm just trying to get them at good prices. And at the moment, I've already got enough coins for me to put through to the boys, but the problem is it's all stuck on all the exchanges. Every exchange that has this certain coin is no withdrawals or no deposits. Now, because they've done a server upgrade as well, and new wallets as well. Okay, so until they're done, until it's completed, no exchange is going to release the coin. So you can still buy them on the exchanges, but you just can't. So you can't deposit or you can't withdraw. Okay, at the moment, and it happens. It's just one of those things, and we all got to wait. So, and we're not the only ones. You know, everyone that's even into that certain coin will be having the same issue at the moment. So it's a worldwide thing. Yeah, so we hopefully by next week, or hopefully sooner than next week. But yeah, but that's what we've got with that one. So coin 5. So coin 5 is definitely our top performing coin. Now it's just a matter of I've got a bit. I've got enough anyway to start, and then hopefully during this week I'm going to pick up some more. It looks like the price is going down today, so hopefully I can grab some more of that. And yeah, that's all I've got for results wise. But other than that, guys, so this is the passive income system sales page. I'll leave a link below, and this is the idea. Is what we're doing. We're making our money. We're making our coin. We're buying coins off exchanges. We send it back to our boys or our wallets. Then from the wallets we send to the boys. Then they create a server, pretty much, and they make those coins work for us. So they're making money 24/7. A little bit different to ICOs. ICOs are a totally different game. ICOs is more your lump sum payouts. So it might take 3 to 6 months or 1 to 6 months, we'll say. And then masternodes is totally different. It's it's like mining, pays out like my mining. You get paid every day, but with masternodes, they're working for us 24/7. Then we get paid on the Monday. Okay, they probably could do it every week. No, they probably couldn't. No. So once a week on the Monday we get paid, and then a new coin comes out. A new coin will come out. So there's a coin. There's another coin last night. We had the webinar 38. The new coin has come out, and then it's just a matter of researching it, which we teach you how to do, and then it's up to your own. You got to do your own due diligence, and you got to decide if that coin's right for you or not. Okay, so you got to work it out if it's a faster paying, if it's a riskier coin, if it's a slower paying but stable, more stable. Your slower coins are there. You're looking at it that they're going to last a while. Okay, when I say a while, I mean 1 to 2 years. Anything above that, even if it gets to 5, that's a bonus. Okay, so guys, that's all I've got for you today. I'll leave the link, obviously it'll be above if it's for Facebook, and it'll be in the description if it's on YouTube. If you're on my YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for all my videos, and other than that, guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.